Imagine you're at the grocery store and you see an individual waving at you. First, you're concerned as you're unable to recognize this person, but as they get closer, you realize it's your coworker Sally. You immediately get embarrassed at your inability to recognize her. However, this is quite a common experience. Why, you might ask? Well, adult face processing abilities can be influenced by various factors. We are better able to recognize familiar faces as compared to unfamiliar faces. Similarly, we are better able to recognize faces belonging to our own racial group as compared to faces of another racial group. Familiar faces are recognized using characteristics associated with internal features, such as the eyes, the nose, and the mouth, whereas unfamiliar faces are more often identified using external features, such as the ears, the hair, and the face contour. An inability to discriminate these features can lead to identification errors for unfamiliar faces and possibly for other race faces. Thus, it is highly important to consider the underlying mechanisms involved in face processing abilities. This is why I'm conducting a MA thesis study on the importance of internal and external features for the recognition of faces that vary in both familiarity and race. This study uses a sorting task in which participants are presented with a set of cards that contain photographs depicting individual faces and are instructed to sort the cards into piles for each identity present in the set. To evaluate recognition performance, we measure both the number of piles created as well as participant response biases. This research will offer insight into how recognition differs for familiar and unfamiliar faces, as well as for own and other race faces. Examining face perception can inform in-person identification in contexts where recognition is critical, such as airport security, or even when recognizing a colleague at the grocery store.